You know, this might be some of our best footage. I'm literally in two-wheel drive. This is JC's old neighborhood, but you know, this neighborhood hasn't really been driven in too much, so the snow's pretty deep in here. I mean, we're having to plow. Like, you see JC up there like plowing away. You see me, I'm totally getting sideways here to get out of here. And there's a lot of little whoop, 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 whoop. So I gotta be careful, see ya? Put me right into a fucking car if I'm not careful. Just gotta kind of go with it. Alright, just gonna go with it. I don't know what JC wants to do here. He's messing around. My thing is my brakes aren't very good, so until I get my brakes fixed, I gotta kind of be a little cautious. I won't get too crazy. There we go. Alright, we'll know what's coming. And JC, he's gonna pass people. Look at him up there. It's just the way he drives. Look at Jackass. He wants me to come hang out too. Well, there you go. That's what happens when you cross over and you're ripping in the snow. Just basically blinds you for a minute. Now right now we're just driving on the blacktop. There's no real snow that we're plowing through. I'm hoping that he's gonna find the snow for us. Whoa, that was a big old snowball hit the window. Startled me. I wish I had someone to go with me and hold the damn camera. I'll have to switch over to my left hand. Yeah, but holding the camera and, you know, driving or whatever, I'm being safe about it. You know, it's my my Olympia camera. Like, he's being a jackass up there. See that? He wants to fucking make all this, and now I have to do that in order to get across because he wants to get gas here. So now this guy's gonna get all fucking pissed that I blasted it a little bit. See, when we're driving in these SUVs and shit, it's like, it just pisses people off. Alright, so here we are. We made it to the gas station. Oh, this is a really cool little Jeep right there. I like those little Jeeps. Alright. Well, there we go. So, get some gas. It's running pretty good. Doing alright. Yeah, she's warmed up.
Hi there. Can I get 20 in this one, Dad? 20 in that one, Dad?
Yeah, we're about to have some fun. Snow's kind of coming down over here. But yeah, so here we are. That's the XJ Jeep. Good old four-wheel drive XJ. It's a country Cherokee. XJ Country Cherokee. Got the same kind of tires actually, the Toyos. And then this one is the Ranger XL. It's got a V6 in it. He's got a lot more clearance than me. He's got brand new tires though too. Look at these tires. These things are meaty. Yeah, and these ones, I mean, in the snow they're not really doing all, but they're doing better than last year, that's for sure.
About a nickel thickness.
Yep, we're looking good.
No,
so
actually even more than that.
Stay tuned, we're gonna get some gas.
That's like, how much?